fed up with seeing the same old Christmas cards in the shops? Then send someone a surprise Christmas card. And what's in it? It's a surprise. Just take a piece of thin card or thick paper and cut it so that its length is 3 times its width, and then divide it into 3 equal sections and draw lines across it like that, and then score across the lines. Now, the best way to score is to take a pair of scissors, keep them closed, and then tape them closed like that, just for safety. Put some sticky tape around them, keep them firmly closed, and then take a ruler, lay it on your line like that, and then just score down the line along the ruler's edge, just pressing firmly into your card. And do the other one in exactly the same way, like that, and your scissors are safely taped closed. And then put them to one side and fold this section into the middle, like that, fold it into place, and then this section into the middle as well, and just press that into place so that you have those 2 sections folded on top of each other. And then you need to divide those sections in half. Now, you can measure it accurately. I'm just going to guess it here. It does have to be accurate, and draw a line down the middle of each of those sections, like that, or down the middle of each of those flaps it is really, isn't it? And then score down those lines, again, with the scissors, just pressing firmly into the card and holding your ruler in position like that. It just makes folding so much easier. And then fold these 2 flaps back on themselves, there like that, and then this one in exactly the same way, like that. So you end up with something that looks like that. Look at that, those 2 flaps folded back on themselves, and you have that funny shape then. And the idea is to draw your Christmas design across those 2 flaps. Now, as this is the Art Attack Christmas cracker, I'm going to draw a Christmas cracker. And you can do it very roughly in pencil to start with, and you can make your alterations and corrections in pen. And just doing it very rough, because we are going to paint it up in a minute. Just drawing a rough cracker shape, and just make sure that the shape is the same, or your design is the same on either side. And just put a couple of lines in there and bands around the cracker. And then you can paint it using poster paint or acrylic paint. I've just got some ordinary poster paint here, ready-mix poster paint, and just slopping it on here to show you. And again, you can do it more neatly. Just put the red bits on the frills, bits that you pull the cracker, and do the whole thing, decorate your whole cracker and neaten it up, and then cut this section out, and this section, and this section, and this section. And when you've cut those 4 sections out and you've decorated it on the front, it looks something like that. And look at that, I've painted that cracker up nice and neatly, and I've gone around the edges in black permanent marker. And I've even put some gold snowflakes on this back bit just to neaten it up and make it look nice and fancy for Christmas. And then open it out like that, and continue your Christmas design in the middle. So there's a bit more of my cracker. Now that's where it's snapped, where it's been broken. And again, there like that. And then do a nice big explosion from your cracker. There like that. And then again, here. And I'm doing the whole thing in pencil, as you notice, just so I can alter it if I make a mistake. And then just write your Christmas message in there. Have a cracking, get the joke, Christmas. And again, just doing it in rough, because I'm going to paint it and decorate the whole thing. And when you've decorated it and done it all neatly, you'll have something that looks like this on the outside, and again, with the poster paint on the inside. Look at that. Have a cracking Christmas. So when you send it to someone, they open it like that, and they get the surprise of their life. And there's loads of different Christmas designs you could try. How about something like this? Look at that. Little Christmas angel singing away, and you open it up, and there's the whole choir in there saying Happy Christmas. Or what about this? This is my favourite, this one. Look at this. You've got Rudolph there. Again, it's the same on either side, and you pull his antlers, and there's all those lovely prezzies inside. Merry Christmas. Try it yourself and send someone a surprise Christmas card.
Now, the most important thing to get right is the folds. Divide your card in 3, then fold those flaps in half. When you've drawn it and painted it, give it to someone really special. like your mum. It's a cracking crazy smacker of a snappy Christmas cracker!